Imagine a world where every piece of data, every bit of information, is at risk of being exploited. In this digital age, how precious is the security of your information? How significant is risk management? Enter avRka, a name that in Sanskrit means safe. Just like the protective influences of gods, avRka is here to shield your information, to manage the risks associated with the digital world. The avRka logo, imbued with symbolism, encapsulates our values and mission. The alpha symbol represents technology. The first letters A and A signify leadership and pioneering spirit. Dual sidebars symbolize spiritualism, care, and security. The color scheme of saffron and golden gray indicate dedication, premium service, and business acumen. The reflection element in the logo stands for transparency, clarity, and cleanliness. avRka provides a plethora of services, each aimed at addressing the challenges of the digital world. We offer information risk management, encompassing frameworks and programs designed to safeguard your data. We provide information security, ensuring your digital assets are protected from threats. Our governance and compliance services ensure your operations are in line with legal and ethical standards. We specialize in cyber law, social media awareness and risk management, and offer the services of a CISO on demand or a CIO on demand. Our offerings are not limited to businesses alone. We conduct specially tailored in-house programs for enterprises, awareness programs, and workshops for children, parents, senior citizens, and regular digitally aware individuals. The instructors of these programs, our netizens, are practicing consultants with hands-on industry experience and deep domain skills. avRka is affiliated with renowned organizations and institutions. We are members of the ISA Pune chapter for IS Security and Audit, the Internet Society, and the LA2 Board. We have the prestige of being alumni of IIMA and the honor of being a part of the CIO Club, CIO Association. Our credentials extend to being registered under the MCA as an independent director and being the CEO of a startup. We believe in giving back to society. We do this through online teaching for government school children, counseling, face reading, and being visiting faculty at engineering colleges and management schools. Our credentials are a testament to our expertise and dedication. With a team that boasts of PhDs, MBAs, and certifications in various fields, we are equipped to handle any challenge that comes our way. In conclusion, avRka is more than just a consulting firm. We are your partners in navigating the digital world, managing risks, and ensuring the security of your information. We are the embodiment of the Sanskrit word for safe. We are avRka, and we are here to protect, guide, and empower you in the digital world. Thank you for your time. We look forward to the discussions and the way forward.